Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down exactly how I turn long, tedious videos into short, punchy clips that actually grab attention and get views. If you're a creator constantly juggling podcasts, long interviews, or webinars, you know that speed, accuracy, and budget are your three biggest hurdles. You also need a solution that doesn't feel like an extra full-time job just to get your content live and ready for your audience. I've tested a massive pile of tools, and today I'll show you what they do well, where they fail, and why one platform finally became my go-to choice. I'm going to be completely honest about the competitors because there are some really cool options out there, but they aren't all built for the same goals. The real goal here is to help you pick the right tool for your specific workflow so you can publish consistently without burning yourself out. Let's start with the transcription-first tools, like those built on OpenAI's Whisper API, which are incredibly accurate for speech-to-text conversion. Services like Sonix are fantastic if you need support for dozens of languages or if you are focused on generating research-ready, polished transcripts. Then there's Otter, which is arguably the king of meeting notes and live mobile-first transcription for teams that need to capture every spoken word. Riverside is another heavy hitter, especially if your world revolves around high-quality podcast recording and remote video interviews. Even Adobe Premiere Pro is a massive player if you already live in that ecosystem and need local, privacy-focused transcription features. All these tools are legit, but they solve different problems, and usually they leave you doing all the heavy lifting when it comes to clipping. This brings us to Vizard, which I started using because I needed a tool that handles the entire pipeline, from finding clips to scheduling them. Vizard doesn't just give you a text file, it's specifically built for creators who want to flood their socials with high-quality native content. The first step is incredibly simple. Just upload your long-form file, or drop a link from YouTube, Zoom, or your favorite podcast hosting site. Once it processes, you get a full transcript and a visual timeline that makes understanding your content easier than ever before. Now, here is the real magic. Vizard automatically scans your video for emotional spikes, audience hooks, laughter, and high-energy moments. It then suggests dozens of short, ready-to-post clips, all perfectly cropped into vertical, square, or horizontal formats for any social platform. You can easily tweak the start and end points of these clips, or let the AI handle the fine-tuning of your captions and framing. And yes, the captions are automatically generated and look professional, which is crucial for retaining viewers who watch with the sound off. Vizard also supports multi-language exports, so if you are trying to reach an international audience, you can translate and subtitle with ease. Then there is the scheduling feature, which is honestly a game changer because it allows you to set it and forget it. Pick your desired frequency, like 3 clips per week, and Vizard will cue your best moments to post automatically across all your social accounts. This saves you from the headache of manual uploads, forgotten edits, or missing those perfect high-traffic posting windows. The content calendar is visual and drag-and-drop simple, making it super easy to change captions, thumbnails, or post times on the fly. If you are working with a team, collaboration is smooth, meaning you can assign specific clips to editors and leave feedback inside the platform. It supports direct publishing to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, which is way faster than constantly jumping back into Premiere Pro. Now, to be clear, Vizard isn't trying to replace heavy editorial tools like DaVinci or Premiere if you need complex cinematic color grading. However, for the goal of converting massive long-form archives into a consistent stream of short-form social content, it cuts the time down drastically. Think about podcasting. I drop an episode in, and Vizard finds the punchlines and emotional beats, scheduling them for the whole week. Or webinars, it pulls out the top 10 tips, formats them as snackable content, and suggests the perfect hooks to grab viewer interest. Even for interviews, it's amazing at isolating those powerful, shareable stories that perform so well on LinkedIn and YouTube Shorts. Pricing is also designed for creators rather than penalizing you for every single minute of content you want to process. It's really about volume and automation, which is perfect if you are trying to scale your presence without needing to hire a full editorial team. If you need pure archival accuracy for legal transcripts, maybe stick with a dedicated transcription service, but for social growth, Vizard wins. It truly glues everything together: auto-editing, auto-scheduling, and content management in one seamless place so you can focus on the big ideas. I'm happy to prove it. Drop a link to your video in the comments and I'll show you exactly how I'd clip it and schedule it in minutes. Once you try this workflow, batching your content becomes so much less painful and actually enjoyable. Alright, that is the full breakdown of how to supercharge your content repurposing strategy. Choose the tools that match your specific priorities. But if consistency and scale are your bottlenecks, Vizard is worth a serious spin. Peace out, everyone, and I hope this helps you get back to creating more of what you love.